In primetime news this evening, name him or her. Justice Minister urges ECJ to reveal the person handling complaints about political misconduct.
Education Minister defends JTC bill.
And opposition spokesman on national security releases crime plan. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I am Andrea Chisholm. A special welcome as well to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. Coming up in business news, gas prices are going up, and the government is moving to update the regime under which tax incentives can be given to large-scale projects.
And it's the big show tonight. Jermaine Brown has a preview of what's coming up in Primetime Sports.
Well, thanks, Archie. Well, a former top Jamaican West Indies fast bowler has now joined the coaching ranks. We'll tell you who a bit later on.
Thank you, Jermaine. There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, what are your thoughts on disciplinary action being taken against staff in Parliament who arrive at work with visible hickeys?
Share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and post on X at TVJ News Center.
And please do, we're waiting to hear those comments. Stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.